Good morning. It is just about time for the U.S. equities to open. We got a couple of minutes to go before that open and a couple of minutes to B period in crude oil. So I am going to be seeing about capturing some opportunities if I can in both of those markets in both of the accounts I am currently trading. So let's see what we've got. We've got some UB at the low of crude oil, which has not yet resolved this morning. I kind of expected it would probably resolve first thing, but it didn't. So that has my eye. Right now, it's been kind of holding up above. Did leave a zero print behind though, which is kind of interesting. So yeah, there might be something there. I'll have to wait and see, but I like the potential of it if it can rotate down. ES, however, I mean, big overnight range. Well, I mean, it's not a huge overnight range, but, whatever. It's a good-sized overnight range. And we've got contested deltas right now. So it's opening kind of in the middle. Pardon me. So it's kind of anybody's guess. Just have to let it open and settle and see what it wants to do. Take a sip of my tea. What have we got structurally at the lows? All right, we've got not a price rejector at the low, and I can't quite see that, but it looks like not a... No, actually, I take it back. That is a price rejector at the high. So, interesting. We'll just have to see what it wants to do. If I had to pick a direction right now, it would be down, but, hey. We'll have to wait and see what happens. So here we go. Let's see here. What do we got? We're pushing lower. And oil. Okay, I like this spot here for a possible short entry. If we can push down there, I think that is pretty reasonable. And, I actually like it to there. So let's just see what we get in that department. ES, a little bit of a head fake up. Well, I don't know yet that it's a head fake, really. It's a pretty balanced profile right now, but it's pushing down. So yeah, it looks like we've got some interest in selling this down. Okay, well, we're super in the middle on ES, so right now I'm going to kind of ignore that. Pay attention to CL, because I think we might get my trade here in a second. We can push lower, which it looks like we're about to. Fill in that zero print. Maybe head for the UB at the lows. Oh, ES is rotated up. Okay, well, that's interesting. I am kind of keeping one eye on that. All right, there we go. I am short. Zero print. Interesting, I left another zero print and moved... no, okay. Energy is still to the downside. So, all right, we're still some interest to the downside. No. Okay, there's some more. And there's some more. Oh, there we go. Boom. And I got the trade. Sweet. That was some aggression, too. All right, excellent. That was very nice. That was, 300 and change and 200 and change between those two accounts. All right, let's pay attention to ES now. I'm not thinking I'm going to get anything out of this setup this morning. Although, I mean, who knows? It's possible. I mean, ES could have an absolutely massive range in A period, and if it did, then it could give me my trade. But for me, for my setup right now to get long, it's got to get all the way up here. In A period, that seems unlikely. But then again, we've got some nice aggression. But that's not my setup. I'm not doing that right now. So I'm not going to chase anything. I'm just going to let this play out and see what we get. This may be a very uneventful A period. In fact, if the video ends right here, it's because nothing else happened.